Hey, what is up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lola. The topic of today's video is one of my favorite things to do ever, and it is how to plan for a music video. This goes for if you are an artist, musical artist, recording artist, or a writer, producers, or a director. And now that we are in quarantine, it is a perfect time to start making the plans for when everything does open up and we do start making steps to going back to how things once were, or attempting to. And I wanted to give you guys tips on how to plan your next music video. And these are tips that I've used myself in making my previous music videos and the music videos to come. This is usually what my process looks like when I start thinking about putting a music video together. So let's get started. First thing, choose your song, obviously. Start to get familiar with the song and get familiar with the vibe. Start to really get comfortable with the song and how the song goes, the different components of the song, the different parts of the song. Getting to know the lyrics can be really helpful too, especially in visualizing what you want the video to look like and what you want the video to say, which goes into the next part, which is what is the message. Get familiar with the message of the song, or if there is a main focus, a main theme, a main subject, a main story that's being told here. So listening to the song, getting familiar with the message can also help you put together what you want the music video to look like, what you want the music video to say. So a couple questions to ask yourself to get familiar with these different components. What is the message? And what is the story that I'm trying to tell? And what emotion am I trying to provoke? What am I trying to get the audience to feel? What am I trying to get the viewer to experience emotionally? And you can ask yourself, what does the message of this song make me feel or think? And based off of that, can try to emphasize. Based on the answers to those questions, you can start to write out what the music video will start to look like in our writing through the storytelling. And we're gonna need the beginning, the middle, and the end of the music video. If there is a main character in the music video, we can start to think about what happens to the character in the beginning, then what happens to them in the middle, and what happens to them at the end. And having these 3 points can help you put together all the pieces, and you can start to fill in the blanks in between each part as you go, as you write. Another cool thing that I like to do is have a Pinterest board that is dedicated to the music video, so that you can put the aesthetics and the vibes, the different looks that you want to have in the music video to be consistent throughout. You can have outfit ideas, location ideas, makeup ideas, hair ideas, nails, accessories. You can have literally anything. I love Pinterest, if you couldn't tell. But yeah, having Pinterest boards to lay out a vibe for yourself, and you can share it with anyone that's on your team, anyone that's part of the music video, like different actors or actresses, the artists, models, dancers. You can send that Pinterest board, or what I also like to do is have a Google Drive folder or a Google Slide and throwing pictures onto a board. It's called a mood board. It's called a mood board or a lookbook. You can call it that too. Putting pictures that fit the vibe that you want to portray in the music video, so that everyone involved can have a good image, a clear image of the vision that you have. So the same thing as a Pinterest board, just taking pictures, grabbing pictures, and putting them on a Google Slides or a Google Docs or a Google folder, so that everyone can see the vision that you have for it, the color scheme that you're going for, the aesthetics in terms of fashion, in terms of the way that everyone looks in it. Another list to make would be locations. So having location ideas in the mood board or the Google Slides or Google Docs that we were talking about before. Having pictures of ideal locations, putting those pictures there, and then scouting for those locations in real life, like looking for locations around you or in the area that are similar. That's another important list to make, and that will help you organize whether or not you need permits or what it would take to shoot in a location like that. You can start planning according to that. Another important thing to take into consideration is if you have a budget or not, and you can do a lot with not a lot, so don't let having a small budget discourage you. This is also where it can be fun. It can exercise your creative problem solving if you have a certain budget and then you have to cater and do everything according to that budget. Even if it's small, you can still get a lot done with that. So planning out your budget, seeing how much you want to put into the music video, and that'll give you a guideline on what you have to work with. And last but not least, planning out who is going to be involved, what kind of characters are you going to need, actors, dancers, people like that to play certain characters in the music video, and starting to make plans to reach out to those people and getting everything down on paper so that you can communicate properly and present your vision for the music video to everyone that you intend to be involved. I hope that helped. That was a quick little thing on how to plan for a music video. So when everything does open back up, you have the plans in set to put together your music video. If you guys have any more questions about that, please feel free to reach out and connect with me on social media, and all of my links will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like content like this. Also, please let me know in the comments and I will do my best to bring that to you. And thanks again for watching. Until next time, peace.